Okay, welcome back to Let's Play Khan Academy World of Math. We're up to 413 skills, 956 to go, with some that are in the middle. Let's keep going with the mastery challenges. Filled 1/4 of the barrel with compost. Then she filled the remaining space with 4.2 kilograms of compost. How much kilograms are in there? So let's see. So she filled 1/4. Then she filled the remaining space with 4.2. So 4.2 is 3/4. And then 3/4 x. So what is x? So we multiply by 4. That's 16.8. And divide by 3. So 3 times. So 5.6 sounds like the right answer. Kilograms. Okay, donated $15. After his donation, he still had $68 in the bank. How many dollars did he have before the donation? So 3 plus, so 8, 8, 3. Drag the vertices to draw a triangle with 30. 30. 35. There we go. Could all these numbers be the side lengths of a triangle? Let's clear this. Doesn't look like it. So 6 squared plus 4.2 squared equals 12.2 squared. So 36 plus something like 16 equals 144. I would say no. $313. Create the number. The number has 3 digits to the right of the decimal. Each number will be used exactly twice. 2 is the nearest 1 when rounding. Two is in the thousandths place. So that's 10, 100, 1,000. Okay. Mastered 3 new skills. On the first stroke, his golf ball traveled 4/5 of the distance of the hole. On the second stroke, the ball went into the hole. He was standing 79 meters from the hole when he took his second stroke. How many kilometers was he when he started? Okay, so the first time he did 4/5, and then 1/5, and that's 79 equals 1/5 x. So we just multiply 79 times x, or 5. So that's 45. And that's 35, 39. 395 meters. And how many kilometers is it? 0.395. Rewrite the fraction as a decimal. Negative 82 over 5. Let's see. So if it was negative 80 over 5, that would be what is that? 1 and 3, that's 16. Negative 16 and 2/5. And 2 divided by 5 is 4.4. Yep, negative 16.4 looks like. Which box has 10 elephants? Ooh, I can do that one. This box. I'm gonna get one of those wrong one day. So if this is this, and this, and this, find BC. So BC equals 6x plus 4, find. And AC is 52. And AB, 52, equals all these two things added together, plus AB 4x plus 8. So that's 10x plus 12 minus 12 from both sides. That goes away. 40. So x equals 4. And then so you got to plug it back into BC. So if x is 4, then it's 6 times 4 plus 4. That's 24 plus 4 is 28. Okay, and took the taxi home from the airport. Taxi fare was $2.10 a mile. She gave the driver a $5 tip. Total pays, blah. Write an equation to determine the distance in miles. So it's 2.1 times x plus 5 equals 49.1. Find the distance. So we minus 5 from both sides. And so 49 minus 5 is 44.1 equals 2.1x. So 44.1 divided by 2.1. What is that? 2. So that's 2, 4, 2, 1, 1. 2.1. Probably not 2.1. Is it 20? Is it just 21 maybe? I got my decimals wrong. I think 21 times 2.1. Yeah, 21 times 2.1 looks right. Okay. Add those numbers. Seven and 5, 6. So if we multiply by 6, let's see, I think it's 42, yeah, so 35 plus 7 is 42, yeah. So 42 plus 5 is 47. 47/6 plus 46/9. Something like that, yeah. Okay, and then we have to, let's see if how do we, this is 2 times 3, and this is 3 times 3. And I can't get rid of the 2 here. So if I add a 2 here, and add a 3 here, that should make them the same. So 46 times 2 is 92 over 18. And the other one is 47 times 3. So it's 21. So it's 12, it's 141. Plus 141/18. So 92 plus 141 plus 92 is 323/18. We'll try that and see if I didn't mess it up. 333, is that right? Let's see, 13. Yeah, looks right. And 6 times 3, yep. Over 18. Oh, good. Which picture divides a rectangle into halves? Raymond just got done jumping at Super Bounce. The total cost was blah. He had to pay a $7 entrance fee and $1.25 for every minute. So 7 plus 125 times t equals 43.25. Find the number of minutes. So minus 7 from both sides, 43.25 minus 7 is 0.25, 3, 1. So that's 6, 3 equals 1.25t. So 36.25. 36.25. Divided by 1.25. Let's see, I can go into this one 3 times 3. We'll try 3 here. That is 3, 6. Nope, can't do that. So it's 2 times 2, 4, 250. 1, 1, 2, 5. And then it can go into this one. I'm really not good at long division anymore. It says I can use a calculator, so I'm just going to do that. 5 divided by 1.25, 29. I was close. So I got the 2 right there. 29. Penny is 25 meters tall, centimeters tall. How tall is the dad? I don't know. Third. Is it more? Is it? See, double would be like there. I guess it's 35. I don't know. 1.333. Okay, so CT's the whole thing, and find JT. So we're looking at similar before. We're looking at 69. 69 equals 7x plus 13. So minusing 13 from both sides is 5, 6 equals 7x. So it's I think 49 plus 8. So 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 8 is another 7. That's 6, 56, yeah, so it's 7 times 8. So that's 8 is x. So x is 8. And then we want to find JT, which is 3 times 8 plus 5. So that's 16 plus 8 is 24. Plus 5 is 29. Okay, add those numbers. These problems are getting slower to do. I think that's probably the trouble with this world of math stuff, is it's going to get slower and slower and slower. And eventually it's going to get painful. Let's see, that's 17 thirds plus 13 sixes. Multiply that by 2 is 14, 34 plus 13 sixes, which equals 47 sixes. All right, mastered some more skills. What's the cube root of 729 without a calculator? How annoying. Is there a way to, like, I know what a cube root is, just is there a way to...
a little bit about square roots. For example, if I were to tell you that 7 squared
is there a way to do it quickly?
Equal to 49 squared 9. True for any
show me some magic trick.
Is so we care comes from where a cube.
Yeah, I know what a cube root is.
Equal to x is actually 5. All right, so
here's where he's talking about it.
Cube root of do a factorization, in particular a prime factorization of this thing right over here, and then you would figure it out. So you would say, okay, well, 125 is 5 times 25.
Okay, that's what I need to know. All I got to do is a prime factorization. No problem. Let's see, 7 to 9. It looks like it's divided by 3. So let's see, 2, 6, 3. So 2, 6, 3. Also looks like it's divided by 3. 3. Let's see. 7 is 21. 8 is 24. Right, 24, 2, 3. Maybe it's not. 2, 6, 3. Probably a stupid prime number. Yep, 263 is a prime. No point trying to figure out what's prime if it or factorization of 263. 2. So it's what I learned. Practically nothing. I don't think I can do anything. I don't actually know what they want because I can't type the dumb equation. Like I can't use a calculator.
Which is 5 times 5. All right, so this is root, or fifth root might be an even.
My math is correct, isn't it? 6. No, that's wrong. Divided by 3. 243. Duh. Let's change this to a 4. Okay, let's swap that color. Let's see, I don't know how to erase this section yet. Edit. So I'm gonna just wipe it. I haven't actually used this dumb program very much. Rectangular select. That's actually a pretty good program. It's free too. For whatever reason, it doesn't seem to be showing up. Alright, we'll just move it like that. And we'll go back to our pin. Oops. That's not good. Oh, great. I've rotated the dumb paper. There we go. Pencil, pen. Okay. Back. So 2, 4, 3. Divided by 3. That's what? 8. 81, which is 9 times 9. So 9 times 9 times 9. So 9. Alright, the plot below shows the mass of 9 box turtles at the center. At the nature center, how many times greater is the mass of the heaviest turtle than the mass of the lightest turtle? Like 3. So this dude has 3/4 of a bag of cat food, or cat eats half of that each week. 2 weeks. Built a rectangular prism-shaped trough for her horses to eat. Trough is blah. Hay cost blah. How much will it cost to completely fill? So 3 times 1 times 1. So 3 times 14, which is 12, 40, 42. Looks like 3 times 4 should be 12. think it's 42. You had 7 apples, 2 apples fell out. Oh yeah. I can do that one. What's a decimal equivalent to? So if you multiply that by 2, it's 202. That one. No problem. Give me some more of those. Those are all super easy. At least most of them were. Okay, that looks like what? So 3, 4, 3. Maybe it's just 3 times 3 times 3. I don't know. So 3, 4, 3. Let's see, 1. Let's try 3. And then 0. Actually, sorry. 1. And then you're left with 13. That's not good. So 3. Oops. 3, 4, 3. Let's go try 7. Could be a 7. Do 7 times 7 times 7. Yep, it is that. I cheated with a calculator. That's okay though. Doesn't matter. I bought a box of granola bars at the store. It has a volume of 210 cubic centimeters. What is the following dimensions? Let's see, 30 times 7. So 3 times 7, that sounds good. 30 times 7, that sounds good. And that one is not 30 times 7. So if we were 65 minus 31 is 34. 7 is it greater than 5 or less than 5? Sounds like it's greater to me. Decimal equivalent of this dude. Is he doing long division? I wonder if that's what he's doing in the video.
Express the rational going to get us, but now we get to 60.
Yeah, he's doing long division.
It going 6 times.
Let's see how he does long division. It's been so long since I did it.
It's a little less than 30. 3 times 6 would be 180. So let's go with it going 6 times. Let's see if that works out well. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 4 is 16. And when we subtract 190 minus 162 is going to get us, actually, we could have had another 27 in there, because when we subtract, so we get a 10 from the tens place, so that becomes 8 tens. This became 28. So we could have put one more 27 in there. So let's do that. So let's put one more 27 in there. So 7 27s. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 4 is 18. And now our remainder is 1. We can bring down another 0. 27 goes into 10 0 times. 0 times 27 is 10. Subtract, we have a remainder of 10. But now we get to bring down another 0. So let's bring down this 0 right over here. So now 27, it goes into 100 3 times. 3 times 27 is 60, plus 21 is 81. 81. 3 times 7, you have 21. You got 81. And then when we subtract 100 minus 81, well, we could take 100 from the hundreds place and make it 10 tens. And then we could take one of those tens from the tens place and turn it into 10 ones. And so 9 tens minus 8 tens is equal to 110. And then 10 minus 1 is 9. So it's equal to 19. You might have been able to do that in your head. And then we have, and I see something interesting here, because we bring down our next 0. We see 190 again. We saw 190 up here. But let's just keep going. So 27 goes into 190. We already 7. We the 10. We got 0, 0, the repeating decimal part that's extra 3 or approximate.
Okay.
Because obviously, if they said round to that
Oops.
that smallest
I didn't want to hint.
decimal place, then you would round up because then.
Dumb. I didn't mean to get a hint. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. So I'm just going to use a calculator. I'll do it next time. For reals. I misclicked and got a hint. Alright. The plot shows the amount of time spent practicing piano for 4 days. The total amount of time spent practicing piano was redistributed. How many hours would she have practiced? Let's see. So she spent 3 hours there and 5 hours there. So 8 hours total. So 2 hours a day. Solve for x. Let's see. Should close these calculators. Alright, let's see. So they're equal. So 2x plus 1 equals 7x minus 99. Add 99 to both sides, so 100 over here. Subtract 2 from both sides equals 5x. So, let's see, 20 equals x. Express the decimals percent. Ooh, I can do that one. What's the sum of the interior angles? I don't know. Let's see. So the sum of this triangle angles would be 180, but I suspect it's not.
We already know that the sum of the interior show that whatever this point right plus y plus z is equal to 180 degrees.
Yep.
And so if we want, that's x plus a plus x. A plus x is that whole angle, the whole angle for the quadrilateral. We already know a plus y is equal to 180 degrees, 180 degrees. And we know that z plus x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. So plus 180 degrees, which is equal to 300, and then we'll so triangles of the other are equal. This one you get to 3. Let's realize it just to give you 3 equal.
So you just
S sides
break it up into triangles.
It's 5 sides degrees to figure function as, and then maybe we have 2 on the here. I'm not giving 2 sides or that, so I could have all sorts of crazy. This side 6 sides. I was 2. Am I just not seeing something? So there you have it. I have these 2 triangles out of 4 triangles. Triangles are going to be 2 plus with each other. Result 102 minus 2. So it's going to be 100 times 108.
Very good. Alright, so how many triangles can I build? I can build 3 triangles, so I think that means it's 180 times 3. Which is, it's a 5-sided thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3, yeah, 3. So 360 plus 180. Let me do that math since I'm not. I'm going to get it mistaken. 360, 180 is 4. 540, yeah. 540. Choose the decimal equivalent. Alright, so 75 divided by 63. Actually, it's the other way around, right? Yeah. $63. 75 goes into 0 times. So, how many times does it go into that number? Let's see. 5, 6, 7 would be 49. Plus another 3. So 8. Let's try 8. 8 is 40. And that's 49 plus 7, which is 56, plus 4, which is 60. 300. So let's see, somewhere around 4, maybe 5. Can you do 5? Nope, 4. So it's 22. I think the answer is this. Let's just see if it repeats though. That's 28, so it's 30. Alright, so we're done. It's this one. There were 10 people in the swimming pool, and the wind started to blow. Some people got out of the pool. 6 people left. How many people got out of the pool? Find the median. I forget. Is that the center line, the median, or is it the mean?
Is in years. Data point. It says falls. The box here is box and whiskers plot tells us that half of the ages of the trees are less than 21 and half are older.
Yeah, that's median.
And then these and all of the, this is the first quartile, are in to the question, which is 50, the only at 21 years. And you can even see.
Okay. That's 6. It's funny how you can just watch a video and it's like, yeah, you mastered it. Silly. You would think you'd get less credit if you watched a video. But I guess it works out, I don't know. The 5-number summary for the number of accounts managed by each sale at Forest is shown in the following table. Suggests that about 50% of the sales managers manage fewer than what number of accounts? Fewer than 50. Decimal equivalent. Well, it's going to be close to 0.41, but it's going to be less than that. So it's probably going to be 3.6. So we have 4.1. 90. Should be a 3 here. So 0. So that's 3 times 9 is 18 plus 9 is 27. So subtract those, and that's 3, that's 1, that's 4, that's 1. And the next one should be a 6 because of the multiple choice. So that's a 0. Wait. Did I get 140 for the last answer? I should have gotten... Maybe it is a 4 then. So that's 18 times 2, 36, 36, and that was 4-1 originally. I just need to clear it. Getting too messy. 4, 1, 0 divided by 90. 4, 3, 6, 0. That's 50, 500. This should be a 5. And that should be 45. Isn't that right? It's 45, right? Yeah, because 9. So 5, 0. Yeah, 5 repeating. Asked its customers about the favorite ice cream flavor and graph the result. How many more customers picked the most popular flavor than the least? 100. The blue dot is on what value? Let's see if this was 10 and this was 14. Then this would be a 12, so it's adding 2 each time. So it's 11, 13, 15, 17. Median is 6.5. Solve for that. (9x plus 210) equals 4x plus 140. Subtract 140 from both sides. So that's 0, that's 1, that's that, so that's 6, 7, 70, so that's plus 70. Subtract 9 from both sides. Negative 5. So x equals 70 divided by 5, negative, which is 1, and then a 20, so 4, negative 14. All right, mastered some more skills. I think that's a good stopping point. We got to 429 skills mastered. All right, see you next time. Thanks for watching.